charting our cosmic destiny. Space Tech's next leap. Greetings, fellow cosmic voyagers. I'm your host from Space Explorer, and it's a genuine thrill to have you with us. We stand at a remarkable moment in human history, where space is an active frontier of innovation. The technologies brewing in space agencies and private enterprises are more than just engineering marvels. They are the keys to unlocking solutions for some of our planet's most pressing challenges. Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of space technology and how it's set to revolutionize our lives. Stay tuned to discover the top 5 innovations that are truly out of this world. We're going to journey through concepts that sound like science fiction, but are rapidly becoming science fact. Each of these innovations carries the potential to profoundly alter our energy landscape, global connectivity, and economic future. So, buckle up your intellectual seatbelts because we're about to embark on an exploration that transcends mere gadgets and gizmos. Prepare to have your perspectives expanded and your imagination ignited as we delve into these game-changing space technologies. The sun's untapped power, space-based solar power. Consider our star, the sun. It's a colossal fusion reactor, bathing our solar system in energy. On Earth, our atmosphere filters this energy and we have night and cloudy days. What if we could bypass these limitations? Build solar collectors where the sun never sets. This is space-based solar power, or SBSP, vast arrays of photovoltaic panels orbiting high above Earth, capturing solar energy with unmatched efficiency. 24/7 power generation, unaffected by weather or seasons, converting solar energy into microwaves or laser beams transmitted to rectennas on the ground. Rectennas convert it back into electricity for our power grids. A clean, renewable power source reducing reliance on fossil fuels, providing energy to remote regions and developing nations. The challenges are monumental. Launching massive structures into orbit requires advancements in launch capabilities. Efficiency and safety of wireless power transmission are key. The task ahead is one of unprecedented engineering, international collaboration, and long-term investment. The orbital weave advanced satellite technology. When we gaze up at the night sky, we see stars, planets, perhaps the moon. But there's another increasingly dense layer of human creation up there, a complex web of satellites. Today's advanced satellites are sophisticated, often miniaturized powerhouses of communication and observation. One of the most transformative advancements is the rise of large constellations of small satellites often operating in low Earth orbit, or LEO. Think of them as a coordinated swarm, a distributed network in the sky. This approach, exemplified by projects like Starlink, aims to provide high-speed, low-latency internet access to virtually every corner of the globe. The implications for bridging the digital divide are profound. Consider the billions of people who still lack reliable internet access. Advanced satellite constellations can bring education, telemedicine, economic opportunities, and vital information services to remote villages and underserved urban areas. Beyond global internet, these new generations of satellites are revolutionizing other forms of communication. They enhance GPS accuracy, enabling more precise navigation for everything from autonomous vehicles to precision agriculture. They provide critical communication links during natural disasters when terrestrial infrastructure is damaged or destroyed. The resilience they offer is becoming increasingly vital in our interconnected yet sometimes fragile world. Chapter 3. Beyond the Blue: The Dawn of Space Tourism. For millennia, humanity has looked to the stars with a sense of wonder. What was once the domain of highly trained astronauts is now opening up to a wider audience. We are at the dawn of space tourism, where leaving Earth's atmosphere could become a reality for more than just a select few. Space tourism exists in 2 forms: suborbital flights and orbital missions. Suborbital flights take passengers to the edge of space, allowing them to experience weightlessness and see the Earth's curvature. This experience is often described as the overview effect. Orbital missions involve stays on the International Space Station or dedicated spacecraft. The development of space tourism is not just about thrill-seeking, it has broader implications. Economically, it's fostering a new commercial space sector, driving innovation in reusable launch vehicles and spacecraft design. This investment can benefit other areas of space exploration. A vibrant space tourism market could help to further drive down the cost of access to space. Think about the future possibilities: space hotels, lunar tourism, and even walking on the moon's surface. However, the rise of space tourism also brings forth important ethical and environmental considerations. As we open this new frontier, we must do so responsibly, ensuring that the pursuit of commercial space travel benefits humanity broadly and doesn't exacerbate existing inequalities or environmental problems. Chapter 4. Earth's Health Check: Climate Monitoring from Above. Our planet is a complex, dynamic system, a delicate interplay of atmosphere, oceans, land, and ice. Understanding its health, particularly in an era of rapid climate change, requires a global perspective, a vantage point that only space can truly provide. Space technology has become an indispensable tool for climate monitoring, offering us an unprecedented ability to track changes, understand processes, and inform solutions for environmental protection. Satellites equipped with a diverse array of sensors act as our remote diagnosticians. They continuously measure critical climate variables with remarkable precision. For instance, they track the extent and thickness of polar ice sheets and glaciers, providing stark visual and quantitative evidence of their melt. Atmospheric monitoring from space is equally crucial. Satellites can measure the concentrations of greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide and methane across the globe, identifying sources and sinks. This data is vital for verifying emissions reductions pledged under international agreements and for refining our climate models to predict future changes with greater accuracy. Ocean observation from orbit reveals changes in sea surface temperature, a key indicator of global warming and a driver of extreme weather events like hurricanes. Satellite altimeters measure sea level rise with millimeter precision, providing a clear signal of thermal expansion and ice melt. Deforestation and land use change are other critical areas where space technology shines. Satellites can map forest cover, detect illegal logging or wildfires in near real time, and monitor desertification and agricultural patterns. The beauty of space-based climate monitoring lies in its comprehensive and consistent coverage. This global perspective is essential for tackling a global problem like climate change. Chapter 5. Cosmic Prospectors: The Potential of Asteroid Mining. For centuries, humanity has mined Earth for resources. But the next great resource boom might be in space within asteroids. Asteroids, remnants from our solar system's formation, are treasure troves of rare materials. They contain water ice, essential for rocket fuel, and precious metals like platinum. Mining these resources could alleviate Earth's scarcity and boost the space economy. The challenges are significant, but the potential rewards are astronomical. Chapter 6. The Journey Continues: Our Future Among the Stars. And there you have it, 5 extraordinary space technology innovations that are not just poised to change our future but are actively shaping it as we speak. From drawing limitless energy from the sun via orbital collectors, to weaving a global web of communication with advanced satellites, to opening the frontier of space for personal experience, to keeping a vigilant watch over our planet's health, and even to prospecting the riches of the cosmos itself, it's clear that our destiny is increasingly intertwined with the vast expanse beyond Earth. These endeavors represent more than just technological prowess. They embody the insatiable human spirit of curiosity, exploration, and problem-solving. The challenges are immense, no doubt, but the potential rewards, a more sustainable, connected, informed, and perhaps even a more wondrous existence, are truly cosmic in scale. We are at a pivotal moment, learning to harness the universe not just for knowledge, but for the tangible betterment of life on Earth, and for our expansion into new realms. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content on the latest in space technology. See you next time. Keep looking up, keep questioning, and remember that the universe is not just out there. In a very real sense, we are the universe experiencing itself. The journey of discovery is far from over. In many ways, it's just beginning. Until our next cosmic rendezvous, stay curious.